Ready to master super payments processing in Microkeeper? Let's roll up our sleeves and get started. In your Microkeeper account, navigate to Payroll, Super, and click on Process. Click on the plus button to start a new super payment. Select the time period for which you want to process the super payments, including financial year, start and end date, and group. Once it's ready, click on Prepare Super Report to generate the Super Contribution Report. If any missing or incorrect details are found during validation of the payment, a red error box will appear listing the errors that must be fixed before you can proceed with processing the payments. Follow the prompts and repeat the previous step to continue. After generating the Super Contributions Report, you can process the super payment within the payment gateway that will be displayed. Make sure that the figures, employee fund details, and the nominated bank account from which the funds will be deducted are correct. It's also important to check that the amount to be paid matches the amount in your accounting suite. If everything looks fine, enter the amount to be processed in the Enter Amount to Confirm box. Click on Reviewed and Pay Super. This data has now been sent to Beam. Beam will debit the payment and send the contributions to the nominated super funds. Past super contributions can be reviewed on the Process page. A list of previous contributions can be found under the Super Processing History section. Here you can find the status of your contribution, which can be received when payment data has been received by Beam Super Clearing House, waiting when the payment is currently waiting to be cleared, clearing when the payment is being cleared, paid, then the payment has been cleared and paid, processed when all contributions have been processed, or partial, when partial contributions have been processed and a refund is expected. You successfully mastered super payments processing in Microkeeper using Beam. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team.